Thanks for your time and listening to this. I really, really appreciate it. There's going to be some pretty legitimate questions that come up before deciding to work with anybody. And I just want to address some of the main ones so that we can just get the ball rolling in the right directions because these are important questions that should be answered. And it's your right to know these things. One of the first ones is it safe? Is skateboarding safe? And I will tell you that skateboarding always has some danger aspect to it, which is why people wear helmets and elbow pads and knee pads at times. And I have found ways to make it safer. I really emphasize on that type of skateboarding. And I actually do a lot of hand holding, so to speak, when it comes to making sure that they're safe and they're starting off because I also know how kids can get hurt, which helps me prevent it to begin with. And we also wear helmets during skateboarding lessons. That's just an absolute. So you can be sure of that. The second main question, which is going to be completely valid, is what does my kid get out of this? Why is he going to do this? Is he gets to learn from an expert who's been doing it for over 20 years. I'm not just some guy with a skateboard. I've been around many professional skateboarders, including Tony Hawk. And that means they're going to get all the shortcuts. And I even taught one kid 6 skateboarding tricks during a private lesson. And honestly, I feel like when lessons come up, it's like I get to make a new friend. Another big question is, could I trust you, Ian? Can I trust you to be around my child? And yes, you totally can. I actually started teaching younger teenagers when I was getting towards my end of teenage years. And I actually worked at a church for over 5 years where part of my job during these events that would go on is I would watch literally 10 to 15 kids at a time, and ages included anywhere from 4 years old to 15 years old. And I made it entertaining and fun, and we just got to know each other really well. I actually still know some of those kids today, and they're good people. So it's fun. It's fun watching people grow up. And the last reason I would say that's going to come up as a question innately is, why should I pick you, Ian? Who are you? And part of the reason I do this is because I also need help. Back in 2007, someone was encouraging me to look at the idea of buying a house. And it's been a long time since those years, but I bought a house 3 years ago. And I'm doing everything that I can to pay it off. And this is a big goal of mine that I have. So if you pick me, you'd actually be a hero. It would help me out tremendously. I am just doing my best. And if you could be so kind as to give me just one or two lessons of your day, that would be amazing. And other than that, I just hope you're doing really well. You're having a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to talking. Cheers. Fireworks. Yay, fireworks. So have a good one, guys, and I'll look forward to talking. Cheers.